who is bearish about the market, the person who feels ये तो पागल है, मार्केट गिरने वाला है आजकल, भाई लाइफ खराब चल रही है सबकी, they are the person who prefer to be the short.
Right? A person who is short on a call option, who sells a call option basically, is the person who feels कि market बढ़ ही नहीं सकता, because अगर market बढ़ गया उसको loss हो जाएगा ना. The long will exercise the option.
Did you get it now? I hope you got it. Let's get to put options. Basically, put options is the exact opposite of call option. Put option gives the holder or gives the option holder the right, the option or the superpower, like I like to call it, to sell back the underlying asset at a specified price within a specified time. It's the complete ulta. I'll explain it to you with the same example, with a similar example. So my friend advised me to buy टाटा के शेयर्स कि भाई ले तू टाटा के शेयर्स ले, प्राइस मैं तेरे को बोल रहा हूँ मार्केट बहुत चढ़ने वाला है टाटा का, यू बाय इट टुडे. एंड दिस फ्रेंड लाइक आई टोल्ड यू इज अ फाइनेंस जीनियस, सो आई बी लाइक हाँ मुझे मान तो लेना चाहिए, ये कह रहा है तो मतलब बढ़ेगा ही. बट मेरी इंस्टिंक्ट नहीं मान रही, मुझे संभाव लगा है नहीं यार मार्केट गिर जाएगा, मैं खरीद तो लूँगी इस प्राइस पे, आई बाय इट एट 100. द करंट प्राइस ऑफ बाय द वे टाटा शेयर्स लेट्स अज्यूम इज 100 ओनली, कि आई बाय इट एट 100. लेकिन मुझे नहीं लगा, ये कह तो है बढ़ जाएगा 200 300 हो जाएगा, बेच दूंगी, लेकिन मुझे लगा है ये गिर जाएगा 50 20 0 ना हो जाए. दैट्स माई फियर. सो आई डिसाइड टू लिसन टू दैट पर्सन, क्योंकि इंटेलिजेंट पर्सन तो वो है, मतलब मैं भी हूँ, बट आई डिसाइड टू लिसन टू कि चलो ठीक है आई बाय इट, उतना कह रहा है फाइनेंस जीनियस. मैंने ले लिया पुट ऑप्शंस. आई बॉट अबाउट 20 shares of Tata at the price of 100. But because my instinct is thinking कि market गिरेगा, I say you know what, I need to protect myself. I get a put option on the same amount of shares. I'll be like नहीं, I want to safeguard myself कि अगर मेरा instinct सही निकला, अगर market crash हो गया, अगर टाटा का stock 100 से 20 हो गया, I should still have the right or the option to sell it at 110 and exit that position. I don't want to lose money. That is what a put option does. I enter into a contract getting this superpower, this option, saying that within 2 months, I want the right or the option to sell back my shares if I feel the need, it's not compulsory, at a locked price of 110. This is my fixed price. Again, guys, all the prices given here are just examples, so don't take it that seriously. उसका कोई logic नहीं है. It's just example. So I say that no matter what happens, 110 तो minimum पे मुझे बेचना है, कि अगर market 0 भी हो गया in 2 months, which is my fear, I will not sell it at 0. I can exit my position at minimum 110 I should get. So that is me safeguarding. And of course, superpowers don't come for free. So I have to pay a premium. I give them 5 rupees ki chal theek hai yaar. At least I'm buying some protection for myself. Sounded wrong. But yeah, anyways, you get it. So that is it. The 110 is the exercise price. The 5 rupees is the premium. The 2 months period is the maturity time. Now, when will I exercise this put option or start to think to exercise this put option? When Tata ka stock starts falling below 110, that's when my antenna will get khadofite ki listen, I need to think now कि maybe I should exit the shares because गिरते जाएगा, at least मुझे 110 में मिलने चाहिए. But when will I start making money from it? When I at least recover that 5 rupees cost, right? Therefore 110 minus 5. Only when the stock price falls below 105 will I actually start making money. That's when the game starts, because 110 पे चलो, once it falls below 110 I should get worried कि 109 हो गया, I should sell it at 110. बाबा मुझे अभी प्रॉफिट होगा 1 रुपये का, लेकिन आपने इन्वेस्टमेंट भी डाली थी ना, लागत भी डाली थी ना 5 रुपये का, वो भी तो रिकवर होना चाहिए. तो जब वो रिकवर होगा प्लस आपको प्रॉफिट होता रहेगा, that's when the real game starts. Let me show you an example so that you understand put option better. Now I told you 110 is the exercise price, 5 is the premium. At rupees 80, will you exercise the option? Absolutely yes, because the market price is 80 of Reliance, but आप उसको 110 में बेच सकते हो 100%. If the stock price of Tata, if the stock price of Tata becomes 90, will you exercise the option? Absolutely yes, because आप 110 में बेच सकते हो, लेकिन current stock price 90 है तो आप बेच दोगे ना. You'll use the right कि 110 में बेच दूँ मैं, then if I want I can buy it again in 90. I still have some profit left. At 105, will you sell it? Yes. At 110, will you sell it? No. At 120, will you sell it? No. Because why? 120 पे तो भाई अगर स्टॉक प्राइस 120 है तो why will I say कि मैं 110 में बेचना चाहता हूँ, पागल थोड़ी हूँ, नहीं. And throughout my investment, मेरी लागत is throughout -5, -5, -5. Now, when will I start having a gain? At rupees 80, like I told you, stock price of Tata is 80, but you can sell it at 110. You have a 30 rupees का profit. ठीक है, उसमें से चलो अपना कॉस्ट प्राइस इन्वेस्टमेंट भी निकाल दो तो भी योर टोटल प्रॉफिट इज 25 रुपीज़. When the stock price becomes 90, you can sell it for 110. The current price is 90, over 20 rupees का profit. Even if you take out your लागत और investment कि चलो I'll take out my cost price, you still have 15 rupees का profit. At 105, okay, you can sell it for 110. 105 का current stock price है, तो 5 रुपीज़ आपको प्रॉफिट मिलता है, लेकिन 5 रुपीज़ आपका इन्वेस्टमेंट भी था, तो ऑनेस्टली दिस बिकम्स योर ब्रेक इवन. नो कॉस्ट नो प्रॉफिट. At 110 and 120, when you're not exercising it, तो कोई प्रॉफिट लॉस होगा नहीं. द मैक्सिमम लॉस एट दिस पॉइंट इज योर प्रीमियम, क्योंकि वो तो आपका लग चुका है ना इन्वेस्टमेंट. तो दैट 5 रुपीज़ प्रीमियम इज अ कॉन्स्टेंट लॉस. So a person who has invested in a put option or who has bought a put option, longed a put option, the maximum loss this person can face is again a premium. ये दोनों options में maximum loss is a premium only. कि भाई जितना मैंने gamble किया कि just to get that superpower, that premium is the maximum loss for both call option and put option. The maximum profit though in a put option is not unlimited. It is the exercise price minus the premium, that is 110 minus 5. I'll explain you the logic. स्टॉक प्राइस अनलिमिटेड बढ़ सकता है लेकिन अनलिमिटेड गिर नहीं सकता. जीरो के नीचे अ प्राइस कैन नॉट गो. देयर इज नो प्राइस बिलो जीरो. जीरो इज द कट ऑफ. सो एट जीरो, when the stock price of Tata becomes zero, will you exercise the option? 100% yes. You can sell it for 110 जबकि मार्केट में प्राइस जीरो है, तो आपको 110 रुपीज़ का प्रॉफिट है एट दैट पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम, लेकिन 5 रुपये लागत भी लगी थी. सो 110 minus 5 is equal to 105, which is the same as exercise price minus premium. Do you get it now? Now did you understand? Great. Now a person who is purchasing a put option or is long a put option is बेरिश ऑफ द मार्केट. उसको लग रहा है भाई कि मार्केट क्रैश होने वाला है. दैट इज द पर्सन जिसको पूरा ट्रस्ट इशूज हो चुका है मार्केट पे. बेरिश पर्सन इज द पर्सन हु विल परचेज अ पुट ऑप्शन. अ पर्सन हु फील्स इज बुलिश और हु फील्स ओवर कॉन्फिडेंट कि नहीं मार्केट नहीं गिरने वाला इज द पर्सन हु विल सेल अ पुट ऑप्शन और इज शॉर्ट द पुट ऑप्शन. So yes guys, these are some very important points that you need to know. If you know these points, if you understood the crux of it, you will really be able to solve questions related to options. You'll be able to navigate the logic better, specifically for level 2 and level 3. So very useful. Like if you don't know this base, you won't be able to do the question solving. जो जब put call parity आता है, valuation आता है, you need to know this base. And in level 1 base ही तो है, तो आपके लिए तो perfect है, right? So yes, with that we've come to the end of this video. Let me know guys your thoughts. Do you like the way I've explained this? Do you want me to explain more topics and what? I'm not promising that I will. I feel like I'm not teacher material in that, but if you feel like I should, let me know and I'll definitely consider it. If you like this video, don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe. I'll see you guys very soon. Until then, keep sparkling and definitely keep learning.